We have Finn Balor versus Kevin Owens at NXT. Let's do this.
Singles action is underway, and this one I wouldn't attempt to predict what's going to happen. I'd just be ready for anything.
Finn Balor has Kevin Owens in the corner. The ref breaking it up. And Kevin Owens with a cheap shot. Oh, Kevin Owens getting the advantage. And a huge shot to Finn Balor. Balor. Oh, and Finn Balor reverses. Punch. To the ropes. Oh my God. What an amazing move. Oh, Kevin Owens. Oh my God, a huge elbow straight to the head. Oh, huge shot to the back. And Kevin Owens, oh my God, driven to the ground is Finn Balor. Turns him over. And, oh my God, that leg must be in aching pain. Oh, snap. Giving him a massage or something. And then the ref is just like, oh yeah, I like the massage.
The moonsault's not the only move Kevin Owens will surprise you with. He's also been known to execute a
Finn Balor reverses.
from time to time. Yeah, and guys like
Oh, Kevin Owens reverses. Huge kick to the leg. Oh my God, huge kick to the body. Body shot. Oh my God, clothesline. Cover. 1, 2. And a kick out. To the ropes. Oh, to the corner. Oh, push. German suplex. Oh, drop to the ground. And leg kick. And Balor has Kevin Owens. And the suplex. And huge kick to the side. Picks him up. Oh, and a huge punch right to the ribs. Kevin Owens. Oh, what is he gonna go for? And the back breaker. Jesus Christ, his back is broken. And he grabs him, Kevin Owens has him, and the back suplex. Kevin Owens, senton. Over the ropes. What's Finn Balor gonna do? He grabs him. Is he going for a suplex? Yes, he is. And a huge shot straight to the face. Jesus. Grabs him. What is he doing? Grabs him to the ropes. Oh my! Oh, he's putting him upside down. Oh, huge kick. Oh my God! What is Finn Balor doing? What is he doing? He's going up top. Oh my God! Huge chest shot. Double feet to the chest. 1, 2, and a kick out. Huge shot. Oh, Finn Balor going up top. What is he going for?
Kevin Owens has waited 15 years.
And an elbow drop.
When he finally got it, he wasn't going to wait to the back of the line. I can respect that. Really pushing his opponent to the limit.
To the ropes. Oh, what is Finn Balor going for? He turns him around.
Finn Balor is in position.
He has him up. Where is he going? He's going to the other side. Huge drop kick into the bottom rope. Into the bottom rope. Oh, and Kevin Owens reverses.
Taking it to the chest here.
Oh. Oh, drop kick.
As John mentioned earlier, Kevin Owens refused to wait at the back of the line when he arrived in NXT. And one of the reasons he targeted Sami Zayn, he says, was to provide a better life for his family.
And reverse. Oh my God.
I don't know how much more damage he can take. He's too good inside the ring to be out on the floor for long. I don't agree with you, King.
Over the ropes.
Reversal. Kevin Owens showing his skill.
Kevin Owens, oh my God.
You know, I can respect providing for your family just as much as the next guy. But there's a way to go about that. And Kevin Owens went about it the absolute wrong way. You don't attack a friend to get to the top. Finn Balor making a statement as we speak. Great match here, but if you missed any of the matches from this week, go to WWE.com to catch up on all the action. I go to WWE.com all the time to catch up on the Divas.
Oh my God. What's Kevin Owens doing? Oh my God, he runs to the ropes. Where does he? Oh my God, senton over the rope. Kick to stomach, another one, and a huge shot to the back. He picks him up. Kick again. Punch. Kick. Oh, reverse. He's down. Oh my God, he's breaking his leg. Oh, Kevin Owens reverses. Huge shot.
Inside the ring now. Finally. Let's get this done inside the ring. He's bringing it back.
Finn Balor going back in the ring.
Can't blame him. Keep it on the move. What a smart move.
And he got him. He was leg hold again.
Big move coming. Look at this energy.
And flips him over.
Look at these moves. This is awesome.
Down.
I've been in the biz a long
Down.
the energy and ability of Finn Balor. As John mentioned earlier, Kevin Owens refused
Oh.
to wait at the back of the
Ow.
line. Look at this. Here he comes.
Oh my God, sling blade.
Somehow, he's kicking into another gear here tonight.
Over the ropes.
He needs to dig way down.
Oh, and misses. Kevin Owens, he's just strangling him. He's covering 1, 2. Kick out. Look at his face. He's like, oh my God, how did he take a huge shot to the back of the head? Turns him over.
That did some serious damage. You can't take
Oh my God, huge shot to the side of the face, and Finn Balor is opened. He is bleeding. Oh, throws him to the corner.
These guys give
Grabs him.
exactly
What is he going for?
What an incredible match.
Grabs him. Here we go. Oh my God, German suplex off the top rope. Oh my God, almost a 3 count.
Ooh, that was stiff. Whoa, a direct hit. What about getting
Oh, he has him. He has him. He's up. And he got slammed down to the ground hard. Oh, Kevin Owens dragging him, going for a cover. 1, 2, and a kick out. Kevin Owens does not know what to do right now. Oh, huge shot. Oh my God. He picks him up. What is he going for? And Kevin Owens reverses. Kevin Owens to the corner. Huge shot. Huge shot again. Picks him up into the turnbuckle and another German suplex.
He has just worn him out. This match is taking so much out of this guy. He's not going to give up. But man, this is
Finn Balor getting up. Kevin Owens. Huge kick right to the back. Sending him back to the ground. Kevin Owens charging it up. Gut shot to the ropes. Oh, he's up. Pop up power bomb. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3. And Kevin Owens wins.